Hi everyone, Amber Johnson here with REMAX Capital Properties. I am your Cheyenne Homes for Heroes Realtor, and today I want to share with you a little bit about the program. First of all, what is Homes for Heroes? Well, this is a program that was started shortly after 9/11, and it's a way to give back to our community heroes and show our appreciation to them when they buy or sell a home. So how that happens is if you fall into one of the 5 hero categories, those are our law enforcement, firefighters, medical workers, EMS, our military, whether you are prior military or currently serving, and then our teachers and educators. You are heroes within the program, and so you do receive cash rewards when you buy or sell a home at closing. So how does it work? Well, first of all, there is no red tape involved. You don't have to fill out any forms. You don't have any surveys to take. There's no hidden fees, anything like that. It's simply just a thank you for being a hero. You do have to pair up with a realtor who is actually an affiliate with the program, which I am. And then where do your proceeds come from, or your cash rewards come from? They actually come from my commission. So when you buy or sell a property, I will give you 25% of my commission, and that comes to you at the closing table. And then I will also send another 5% to the Homes for Heroes Foundation, and then that goes to help local heroes in need. So I'm so excited about the program. It's near and dear to my heart. I would love to tell you more about it, so give me a call. Thanks.